After a year filled with social distancing, family and friends are reconnecting with picnic and backyard barbecue get-togethers filled with delicious food. To help bring the party, Food Network stars Martita Jara-Ferrer joins us to share some flavor-filled recipes and tell us how Chicken of the Sea is celebrating family and friends coming together by giving away $10,000 reunion grants. Thanks for being here.
Well, you're not going to believe what I'm going to tell you, but I'm actually ditching the burgers and the dogs this summer. It is too hot. I'm going for seafood, and Chicken of the Sea has everything I need. Wild caught tuna, salmon. They've got sardines, mackerel, shrimp. I mean, everything you can think of. One of my favorites is this Mediterranean couscous salad. Aside from being colorful and delicious, it has the added health benefits of omega-3s. Chicken of the Sea did this wonderful thing, and they launched their reunion grants program, and they are giving away $10,000 in reunion grants. So all you have to do is go to chickenofthesea.com/reunion grants/rules. You can enter now through August 15th for a chance to win one of the $500 reunion grants so that you can have a wonderful celebratory picnic barbecue with all of those friends and family that you've been missing for so long.